year is 2004. Chrysler is now paired up with Daimler, Mercedes-Benz, and they want to get back into the rear-wheel drive game because up to that point they had concentrated on front-wheel drives with their LHS platforms and the Concords and the Stratus and all their other failures. And Mercedes gave them the idea to go back to rear-wheel drive. How did they do it? And what ended up being the car? Well, we have one of them here today, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh. Wow. So 2006 SRT8. Did we give the details? 143,000 miles. It's got the 4-piston Brembos in the front. Are they 4-piston? I got 6-piston Brembos. more piston Brembos for me. 6.1 liter with the Hemi I don't go fast, and I mean it doesn't really, but it helps.
Well, it helps.
We're getting a little breeze going on.
This is what matters, right?
What, the intake? Actually, they make ported ones that are nice. Running good. Got to do a little power steering flush. It's coming out. It's got like a metallic flavor to it. You know, it's more red now than it was before. Before it was like silver. Yeah. But it's still.
Smell-o-vision would tell you it smells burnt.
Yeah, it smells burnt. So
Second you open up that,
we're gonna flush it and see if it continues to go bad, and then we'll have to address that. A couple other things. Headlights look good. We polished those. One side I did mostly the
wax on, wax off.
Wax on, wax off.
liquid.
Oh.
And this side I used more of the buffing, the sandpaper. They give you little discs. Anyway, so these bad layers are going on next. This has a cat code. So these are MagnaFlow. So we're gonna put these on this week, and then thanks to New Jersey DMV, what?
April 13th.
April 13th, nearly almost 3 weeks from now, till he can get this on the road. But in the meantime, we can replace all sorts of things like this. Like, I gotta figure this out. What's going on here? Like these, the clips have come loose, but and then it's kind of broken. So we need this trim here. I gotta figure out. Actually, no.
Did he hand us the top window trim?
Yes, it's in the back seat.
Okay.
Yeah, like. So this is falling apart. We'll leave this like this for now because this needs to come out. We got to redo these. Actually, we'll see if we can just buy these trims. And that's it. New car for the channel. Of course, we didn't need any more new cars for the channel.
We're also getting rid of some.
No, yeah, slowly. Now, there's a lot of heritage in this car that makes that car possible. This is a time in 2006 when Chrysler had already had the LX platform, which is what this is, borrowing heavily from Mercedes-Benz at the time, since they were basically one company. The LX platform has your standard rear-wheel drive. It is an independent rear suspension, Getrag rear differential, and the new NAG1 transmission. Chrysler wanted to get back into rear-wheel drive market since Chevy had left it. They knew that there was police cars that are going to have to be filled, special service vehicles, and that their entrance back into the market was going to be having something that was capable, rear-wheel drive. It was a resurgence of Chrysler in America.
What is the power of inspiration? Can a car be beautiful yet capable in all seasons? Yes, with the SP and all-speed traction control.
We get things like the Commander over there, not one of the better vehicles that Chrysler came out with, but the Ram trucks were doing very well at the time, and Chrysler was really, really pumping out those Hemis left and right. Now SRT's touches to this car, put 20-inch rims on it, dual exhaust, performance-oriented speedometer and dash assembly, and then most importantly, It's what's under the hood. 370 cube, 6.1 liter, 425 horse. Now, many argue that this is the better motor between this and the 5.7 Hemi because of a simple fact that not only does it make more power, but it does not have MDS. MDS is the multiple spark deactivation that's well known for many cam failures and other issues with the valve train of the 5.7. This motor has none of that. Without a car like this, without this platform, you wouldn't have Hellcats, and you wouldn't even have your Challenger, which came out as the LC platform, a derivative of the LX platform. These are the SRT8 seats, most comfortable seats in the world, but I'm about to show you guys a little secret. 2009 Dodge Ram, very similar seats. This is the Sport, nothing special, but 5.7 Ram. And as you saw, the seats are almost identical, but they are comfy. That special SRT8 badging. The only performance modifications to this car are the factory Mopar cold air. Sorry for the wind noise, but that's the cold air, and a MagnaFlow exhaust, which was kind of fancy for when it was put on this car. Since they're stainless steel, it really doesn't wear out. So this exhaust is quite a couple years old.
So I'll be using the Diablo wheel cleaner and the Watermelon Snow Foam Auto Wash with their foam cannon, which is up there. Alright. Now to use the foam cannon. This is always the best part. I love this part. I mean, it's already looking better. I mean, there's some stuff I gotta deal with. Get a little scrubby. It looks like algae, something like that, moss.
And ladies and gentlemen, if you like and subscribe this, we'll promise you at 200 subscribers, which we're really close to, we'll do a burnout with both that and this. Sound good?
Send it.
Send it?
Send it.
Awesome.
Just gonna send it. We're just gonna hold her wide. Gonna be a good day.
Yeah.
200 subscribers. Get to subscribing. We'll do burnout with the 300 and the 392 Daytona. Thanks a lot, everyone. See you later.